It's all about tariffs these days, but tariffs can actually create opportunities. The discussion is all about how it will create recessions, but I want to discuss long-term trends and short-term tariff news impact. Because if we look at the other side of the world, then there in China are discussing how China can emerge victorious thanks to the tariffs. This picture is also significant. This is Japan, Korea, China, and they are now rebuilding their trade ties to form a counter to the tariffs. So they're just starting, but already talks there are already something. Also, China, Japan, increased discussions. But here we have to discuss long-term trends, and then we'll discuss the short-term possible opportunistic impact of tariffs for us investors. If we look at the world, the 8 billion people from 2022, this is the US. Just this small part as the world's population. If we add Europe, this is it. The rest of the world is this. And if we put tariffs here, you have to understand that this is the rest of the world. And over the last few centuries, yes, the developed world has various advantages. Technology, development, capital, education, everything was there. But the world has been changing, especially thanks to that technology. Now, I was born here in a communist country, and now you're listening to this YouTube video, which is a huge, unthinkable situation when I was born. And then we have to look at this. This is from BHP that we'll discuss the stock tomorrow. Look at the trends. 10 billion people by 2050, mostly this side of the world. Then we have urbanization, 25% growth, capital, steel, whatever, wealth increasing, doubling globally over the next 25 years, huge electrification, use copper and things like that. And now the key is that markets usually always overreact to news, but the long-term trends are pretty stable. There will still be 10 billion people in 2050, no matter the tariffs. Perhaps even more if condom sales get impacted. And here is how markets tend to usually overreact. This was the pandemic panic, and this is Glencore, a commodity producer and trader. The stock price was 140. Then fast forward just 2 years and the stock price was 576. Fast forward another 2 years, panic, tariffs, the stock is down 50% now to 283. I have not made a video on Glencore, but if you go to my research platform, I'll try also to put a link in the description below directly to the free preview. You can read my analysis and see how this might be an opportunity in the next year, 2 years, perhaps even now, depending on the risk and reward of your portfolio, and perhaps even a bigger opportunity just due to tariffs. Thanks for watching, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.